everyone, thank you for joining my channel. This is Rocky. If you're new to my channel, this is where I talk about fashion, lifestyle in Chicago, and a little bit of beauty. So today we're going to focus on fashion. And the reason why, this is kind of controversial today is because I've just gone through months and months of agonizing over the fact that I have entirely too many things in my closet. So I've purged a couple times, I've asked for your help, and today I'm showing you something that I just hauled. But the reason why I feel justified in buying this is because it lends itself to promoting minimalism and sustainability. So let's get right into it. So this next piece I got from Nordstrom Rack, and it's not exclusively available at Nordstrom Rack. It's a dress, and I've seen it at Saks, I've seen it at Macy's, and I think that's the only places I saw it other than Nordstrom in different colors and in Nordstrom Rack. So this dress is made by LJ Loop, I think that's the name of it. And yes, LJ Loop is the name. And the reason why this is unique is because it could be worn in an infinite amount of ways. Not infinite, almost infinite amount of ways. It comes in two pieces. It's sort of a strapless midi dress and then this extra little like shrug piece. So what I was able to find online is a video of all these different ways that you could possibly wear it, so it gives you ideas. And what I did was I tried to mimic those looks. So that's what I'm gonna do. I'm just gonna try to, my best I can, side by side, show you what they look like, and you tell me if I did a good job, and let's get right into it. So those were the looks, and I actually was able to get, just free thinking, one more style, and there's a few more afterwards I thought about, but there's one more way that I could possibly wear this, and I'll just kind of do, split screen here so you can see it. I thought that this was a pretty cute way to wear it, like a little halter top and a skirt or whatever the case may be. But there's so many ways. You could even wear this, I think, as a little mini skirt on its own. But I thought this was really cool. So for those of you who are all about minimalism and sustainability, I think that buying a piece like this is amazing because as you saw, you could wear it so many different ways. You can wear this on its own as a shirt. You could wear this just as a skirt. It's just so many ways, and that one investment, right? The regular price for this is $139, and I ended up getting it for $32. I thought that this was a phenomenal price because of the sheer fact that you can wear it so many different ways. I absolutely love this sort of dusty rose, dusky pink kind of a color. All me, I love it. So so I just wanted to share that with you. I don't feel so bad having brought another piece in here, but again, it's still me buying something. Tell me what you thought of today's video. Let me know if you thought of a few more ways that I could wear this. I would love the ideas because, I don't know. It's like you get like a deer in headlights. When the camera comes on, you're like, oh my gosh, can't think. And then afterwards, you think of a whole bunch of other things. So in the comments below, let me know what you thought of this. Let me know if you thought of some new ways to wear this. Tell me if you would ever buy something like this. Would love to hear from you. Go ahead and subscribe if you hadn't already. Hit the like button, share it with your friends, because if you liked it, I'm pretty sure your friends would like it too. Thank you so much for watching. Bye.